The Bhoi Dorbar today held the executive committee meeting at Circuit House, Nongpoh, to discuss on various demands for the welfare of people in Bhoi and extended the gratitude to Chief Minister of Meghalaya for the upgradation of Western Administrative Unit to the status of civil subdivision. Addressing the media persons, R.B. Shadup said that during the meeting, they have discussed on various pending demands and extending gratitude to Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma and his cabinet ministers for the upgradation of Western Bhoi Administrative Unit to the civil subdivision that will be inaugurated on November 24th.
Ban klaim da klet ya doktor di lapang. Ubolong ushabi jong kari Bhoi Dorbar. Ila pha da message syangi men step ila ai ka jing kerdo ia kari Bhoi Dorbar ipun pau ka jing kenan ka bakrau ni ai ka jing sungu ia chief minister baria ka sarkar baria ka kabinet jong ki bala pen urlong ia ka jing tharang jong kari Bhoi Dorbar ka bala yakhi ia ka kam ka bala bu jing dawa na bu isnan ki bakham shwa kari Bhoi Dorbar ka de ka wei na kisang kabamdan kano ka jingya syaliang hala hakaliang jong ke kamparti lan ya haginol nogiliang nilong kawai